we start out with this rectangular piece of shaped fabric with T-cut in it, and the center back marked. Again, I define the neckline like this. See that the fabric moves in a relaxed way over the shoulders. The center front. Like this. Then I fold it over. And mirror these marks and cut away the fabric at the front. So again, first I try to define the position of this breaking point here. At the front. And here at the back. Here. Somewhere. And this time we also take more notice about the height position. You're gonna look at, you see that you get them fairly same height, but when we lift our arms upwards and forward, it's you can see that the point at the back normally is slightly higher than the point at the front, because it's like if we fold things upwards, if this point is here, back is higher and the weapon is lower, then the arm is folded like this. And if you put this point higher and this point lower, the sleeve will be folded like this backwards, and we rather want to go forward than backward. So the back point is slightly higher than the front point here. And then we look at where the break points is for our arm. in if you lift up your arms. So we're gonna make a cut going along the body. So slightly at the side of the body but slightly backwards. Yes, coming up here, passing through that point, all these points, and down to that point. Or I draw my imagined seam line now, so then I cut a little bit outside it. Here are the actual points. Now you can lift your arm, pull this piece backwards like this, and then the back piece, put that over here, and now I define the volume of the garment and the balance when they meet.
What did you say about where they meet?
So it's kind of when they meet here, I define the volume
Yeah,
of the whole thing and the balance of the whole garment.
but that's just a design choice, right? Like you just choose where you want them to meet.
Yeah, it's right now it's just like they should just overlap.
Yeah, yeah.
And kind of the volume of what we do is depending on what we're doing.
Yeah.
But it's could be, say if it's I don't know, now when you're looking into maybe doing things for wheelchair users, say, then maybe you have a slightly different pose, or like when we looked at the, I don't know, the driving suit, for example, or kind of thing. So first I just join them together like this, and now here, remember that we have this three-dimensionality, like in the second exercise we do. Don't do like that. So then I have all this, because we need to have this space in between here. So when I join things here, here is the mark on that side. Maybe this is about 10 cm in between there, I guess. Please hold that fabric with your under your arms, maybe the other one. Something like this. And I'm gonna move that pin up a bit so I get up to that point or more. So we have that point here, referring to this bodily point, and this point underneath here, referring to the front breaking point. And now, and this back piece here is joined to the front piece. And now I'm going to split from the bottom here up to that front point. Then in front of the pins, otherwise we just fall apart. And then become like a cassette, kind of like this, and we lift the arm. You see the movement of the arm here, that's why I want this to be slightly higher at the back. Because of course we can lift the arm right up like this, but normally we go forward in most movements. So when it's relaxed like this, take this piece of fabric and just drape it over to get a sleeve. Fasten it a bit here. I connect it to the back here. And now I'm defining the volume of the sleeve. Underneath here, this meets. This. And the tricky thing here is now the placement of these points and the volume over here, what you need for movement. Now this became very tight and a bit tricky to move around in. But the hard thing is the positioning, especially of this point here, and then the volume. This is the principle. So give that a try, please.
So this sleeve isn't shaped correctly